आज अपन क्लास 12 में इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्री फंक्शन पे डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। अपना टॉपिक है इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्री फंक्शन। व्हाट इज द फंक्शन, दैट मीन ऑफ फंक्शन। पहले तो अपन फंक्शंस को पकड़ेंगे। तो व्हाट इज फंक्शन? फंक्शन इज डिनोटेड x raised to y. Is trigonometry function? Trigonometric already function is sine, cosine and tangent. It is three part of ratio of trigonometry function. That is x is equal to, suppose in function sin y, x is equal to, suppose this is cos y, x is equal to, suppose this is tan y. This is a function form. Is converted of inverse. So this is inverse y equal to sin inverse x, y is equal to cos inverse x and y is equal to tan inverse x. This is function is inverse function. So say is inverse trigonometry functions. So we read, मतलब हम अब आज पढ़ेंगे कि जो ट्रिग्नोमेट्री फंक्शंस है वो किस तरीके से होते हैं, किस प्रकार के होते हैं, कन्वर्टेड कैसे होते हैं, अपने जो सिलेबस में है उस पर डिस्कस करेंगे। तो सबसे पहले ट्रिग्नोमेट्री फंक्शंस में वी नो दैट in class 11 read now sin theta sin minus theta is equal to sin theta, cos minus theta equal to cos theta and tan minus theta will be minus tan theta. This is simple trigonometry function. But inverse function, sin inverse minus x is equal to minus sin inverse x, cos inverse minus x is equal to, that is cos inverse x, tan inverse minus x equal to minus tan inverse x. And we know that this is sin 2 theta, the simple trigonometry form, 2 sin theta into cos theta. But 2 theta equal to sin inverse 2 sin theta into cos theta. This is inverse trigonometry form. You are suppose that is sin theta is equal to x, then cos theta equal to, already write 1 minus sin square theta. So that means cos theta equal to under root, you know under root 1 minus x square theta. This is find out. So 2 theta equal to sin inverse, this is 2x, cos theta is under root 1 minus x square, make next formula 2 theta is equal to sin inverse 2x under root 1 minus x square. What is theta? Theta, that is theta will be, already inverse function is sin inverse x. So that is new formula, 2 sin inverse x is equal to sin inverse 2x under root 1 minus x square. This is property of inverse trigonometry functions. This is simple trigonometry, that is inverse trigonometry. This is simple trigonometry formula, this is inverse trigonometry formula. Okay, and similarly that is cos 2 theta, you know 2 cos square theta minus 1. So this is inverse form, 2 cos inverse x equal to cos inverse 2x square minus 1. Previous conditions, tan 2 theta, these are equal to 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta is converted 2 tan inverse x equal to, convert for inverse function, tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. This is simple trigonometry, this is inverse trigonometry function, right? And convert to sin, cos and tan theta another function. Suppose that this is sin theta equal to x. You read in class high school level. Suppose that this is a right angle. Acute angle will be theta. This is perpendicular. This is hypotenuse. About PGT, find out, that is 1 minus x square. So sin theta will be x by 1. Cos theta equal to, that is base upon hypotenuse. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base x upon under root 1 minus x square. But in inverse form, theta equal to cos inverse under root 1 minus x square. Theta equal to tan inverse x upon under root 1 minus x square. So that is sin theta equal to x. Theta equal to already sin inverse x. So find out, this is equation first, second and third. Find out the result. In inverse form, sin inverse converted cos inverse under root 1 minus x square and tan inverse converted x upon under root 1 minus x square. This is convert inverse function to applicable of another functions. Sin converted cos, cos converted tan. तो सिमिलरली अपन यूज कर सकते हैं, किसी भी तरीके का कोई भी फंक्शन हो, ये सिंपल ट्रिग्नोमेट्री फॉर्मूला लगा के अपन कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. इसके बाद अपने को ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में, इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में और भी फॉर्मूलों का यूज करनी है. जैसे हमने हाई स्कूल हायर सेकेंडरी लेवल में पढ़ा साइन ए प्लस बी, these are equal to sin a cos b cos a sin b. इसको हमको सिंपल को इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में कन्वर्ट करना है. दैट इज a प्लस बी इक्वल टू साइन इनवर्स a sin a cos b प्लस cos a sin b. दैट इज सपोज sin A is equal to x and sin B is equal to y. Then cos A equal to under root 1 minus sin square and cos B equal to under root, I write off under root 1 minus sin square B. Then cos A equal to under root 1 minus sin A equal to x square, cos b equal to, that is under root 1 minus yb square. So this is, put the value of this function this way. What is a? A equal to sin inverse x, b equal to sin inverse y. So that is sin inverse x, sin inverse y. These are is equal to sin inverse. What is sin A? X. What is cos A? Cos B under root 1 minus y square. Sin B, that is y. Cos A under root 1 minus x square. This is additional formula of sin function. Sin inverse x plus sin inverse y. Note, that is addition formula for inverse trigonometry functions. First, already proved that sin inverse x plus sin inverse y, this is sin inverse x under root 1 minus y square, y under root 1 minus x square. Similarly, cos inverse x, cos inverse y, that is cos inverse xy minus under root 1 minus x square, 1 minus y square. Third, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, these are equal to tan inverse x plus y, 1 minus xy. This is 3 addition formula of inverse trigonometry function. And subtraction, a subtract formula of inverse trigonometry function is also 3. This is sin inverse x minus sin inverse y. These are is equal to sin inverse x under root 1 minus y. Proper will be changed plus, that is minus under root 1 minus x square. Next, cos inverse x minus cos inverse y equal to cos inverse xy plus under root 1 minus xy square, 1 minus x square into 1 minus y square, and tan inverse x and tan inverse y, these are equal to tan inverse x minus y 1 plus xy. This is 1, 2 and 3. 3 is already addition formula, 3 is already substitution formula of inverse trigonometry.